AI Question Answer is an intelligent Chrome browser extension designed to revolutionize how users find answers and solutions online. It serves as a versatile AI-powered assistant that can handle queries across various topics including education, health, technology, and professional work. The extension integrates seamlessly with Chrome and Chrome-based browsers, allowing users to get immediate, contextually relevant answers without the need to navigate away from their current page or search through multiple websites. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to go ahead and dive right into this. I'm going to add it to my browser straight away. Now, some cool things about AI Question and Answer is the fact that it actually accepts both text queries and screenshots uploaded for questions, which makes it quite versatile. You can customize its response styles, which is pretty cool as well, as you can see. So you can set the category here first, and then you can decide on what kind of style you want it to be. So I think this could be really useful for academic support, professional research, content creation, and any kind of documentation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a go here, and I'm going to see if it can help me break down a complex tech subject into something that's easier to understand in an informal way. So I'm going to ask, explain blockchain technology to me. So it's saying, all right, so imagine a super secure digital notebook that everyone can see, but nobody can erase. That's kind of how blockchain works. Now, this is really cool. I think this is a great way to describe it. How I've usually described blockchain technology or Web3 to other people who've asked me in the past is that it's like a notice board that no one can take down. So if you think of Web 1, which is email, that's just you being able to send a message to someone else through a connection that a big tech company hosts. Web 2 is the internet, so that's like a notice board, but there's still a big tech company that controls that. And Web 3 is essentially a notice board that isn't controlled by any one person. So let's go back into what this response is telling us. So at its core, blockchain is a way to store and share data across a network of computers in a really safe and transparent way. Here's the breakdown, and then it gives us blocks, chains, that's really cool, decentralization, consensus, and immutability. So this tech is the backbone of things like cryptocurrency, hello Bitcoin, but it's also being explored for tons of other uses like supply chains, voting systems, even digital identity verification. So in short, blockchain is like a super transparent, secure, decentralized way to track transactions or data. Pretty cool, right? Now, I'm pretty happy with this response. I think this is super cool. And as far as I can see, this extension is completely free, which means it's just amazing to use. I think anyone who's studying something or anyone who wants to learn something new is definitely going to find this extension really valuable. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.